So a lot of people ask me about long-term water storage containers or larger water storage containers, particularly because I go camping a lot. I hate storing my water in plastic. Here's what I do. Got this big, I think it's 7 gallons, stainless steel container. Got a spigot here. It's all stainless steel. A couple of silicone washers. A couple of metal washers. You just buy this spigot separately. And this thing's solid stainless. Put a link in the description. Pop it open. What we're gonna do is install the spigot. Requires a 1/2-inch drill bit, which is pretty large. And then of course that matches up with this particular spigot. If you buy a different spigot, maybe there's a different size you need. But what I'm going to do first is I'll drill a pilot hole, and then I'll punch in that 1/2-inch hole.
He don't look good at all. Look at this guy.
I just don't feel good.
Yeah, don't look like it.
There's no problem.
Yeah. If you could just go ahead and make sure you do that from now on, that would be great. And I'll go ahead and make sure you get another copy of that memo. Okay?
Yeah, no, I have the memo. I've got it. It's right.